For the next part of our quick start, we have a section called Customize the App. Now, customizing, what we're going to do is we're going to change a property value in our business application diagram to change how the application works. Now, there's a variety of other ways we could do customization as well. We could add forms, we could add zoo forms, we could include more peripheral entities. We could even customize the generated code by using what's known as points and blocks. To keep it simple for this example, we're just going to use the business application diagram and change a property that's going to then change how our app is generated. So to do this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my appflow.4va and I'm going to select the form entity. Now, inside of the form entity, if I look up at the properties, I'm going to find a property called UI settings. And one of these settings says, well, when the form first opens, what should happen? And by default, it was set to display, so it displayed the first record. I want to change this to say add. Now, when the form opens, it's going to be in add mode. It will give me an empty form where a user can enter a new row of data. I've made my change. I have my asterisk, meaning I haven't saved, so I can go ahead and save my change. And now, let me kill my last application. Now I can go ahead and I can execute my application. Again, it's going to rebuild, because that's what it does. It rebuilds when changes are made. And it's going to run the application. Now, the application starts up again. And this time you can see, instead of starting it up with a record displayed, it starts it up in add mode. Let me go ahead and add a user in. I'll add a username Scott, last name Beauty, company of 4Js, with the phone number of 12345678890. Enter done. I have to go to my menu because of course I have to accept. You'll notice that it took care of the sequence itself by giving me a new number up here, and it's added the record. So that showed you a quick and easy way you could customize the app by modifying the properties of one of the components of your business application diagram. So the last thing we're going to show you now in our quick start is how you can package and deploy your application so that it sits out there on the device, no longer being run from within this Genero mobile on your desktop, but instead running out there on the device itself.